Hey everybody, welcome to the Power Stoke channel. My name is Austin and today I want to talk about my goals for 2018 regarding my YouTube channel and my truck. So we'll start with my YouTube channel. I started it back in July. I made a couple uploads, stopped uploading in August and went missing for 3 months, and you know, I really regret doing that because I feel like I missed out on a lot of opportunities. But you know what, I'm trying to be better now, uploading more regularly, at least a video a week, and it's been going pretty well. I've been able to keep with that schedule, and I would like to continue doing that schedule throughout 2018. I just need to have video content to upload, which can be hard. I want to at least have one video a week. I'm going to try to upload on Mondays, making that my day, because I can make a video on Saturday, edit it Sunday, have it uploaded on Monday, because I work Monday to Friday most of the time. So if I can do that, then I can be consistent with my uploads, and it'll give you guys something to look forward to on Mondays, and that would be a great thing because, you know, Mondays suck. Cop driving by here. I also want to make my video content a lot better. It's not exactly perfect right now. I'm not very good at editing, and you know, this all comes with experience. You gotta practice and do it more and more and more, and you'll eventually get there and it'll be much better. But at this point, I'm really new to YouTube, really new to editing and doing this. And if you guys have any critique or anything that would help me, please let me know in the comments below. Enjoy if you guys commented below, giving me ideas for videos, ways to make my videos better, what you like, that kind of stuff. Another one of my goals is making better content for you guys and making them a little bit longer videos, because the average right now, anywhere from 2 minutes to 5 minutes. I kind of want to stick around the 5-minute mark because it's not too long of a video that it'll get boring, and it's not too short of a video that it feels like a waste of time. And that requires me doing more, like doing cinematic shots, knowing what I'm talking about, and giving you guys full information on things. I noticed in some of my older videos when I rewatch them, I miss some of the points that I wanted to say because I get so excited to do the video that I just forget to mention things. So I need to slow down, take it a little bit easier, and I'll eventually get there. It's for me. I'm super new at this, so it's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait for you guys to join me for the ride. Another one of my goals for 2018 is growing the channel. Right now, I think I sit at 46 subscribers, which is more than I ever thought I was going to get. So thank all of you that subscribed and that are watching this video. I would love to grow my channel. My goal by the end of January is to have 60 subscribers. That's only 13 more. I mean, I think it's doable. That would be super exciting for me. And by the end of 2018, I would love to have at least 500. So that's my goal for 2018. It doesn't seem that high, but for me, if I hit those goals, I would be ecstatic. It would be an amazing thing, because I didn't think I would even get this far. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I could do to make my videos better, video ideas, anything like that, please feel free to comment below and let me know. I would love to hear from you. I will try to comment back as soon as I can. Those are my goals for my channel in 2018. 500 subscribers by the end of the year, better video content, and being able to interact with you guys a little bit more and getting ideas from you guys. Those are my goals for 2018 for the channel. Now, for the truck, I have a lot of goals. Don't know if I'll hit them all, and if I don't, it looks amazing how it is right now. I mean, aesthetically, it's beautiful. These mirrors fit the truck a lot better than the old ones did. They're the 2008 Super Duty mirrors. They're a lot more boxy. They look a lot better in my opinion because it follows the truck. So I have the new taillights on it, as you saw, the LED, and they kind of fit the modern style of the new trucks on an old truck. So my main goals for the truck this year are power. I want to get a bigger turbo, bigger injectors, and build the trans so it can support all of this. That's my big goal. My ultimate goal for this truck is at least 500 horsepower. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a pretty good amount for a 7.3 with a budget. So I'm pretty excited to get there. So those are my goals for 2018 for the channel and for the truck. I think they're absolutely doable. They seem like they're pretty far out there, but I feel like in my head that they're absolutely possible to be accomplished, because you know what? You guys are amazing, and I know that you'll share this video, share my channel. Even if you guys all share just to one person, that would double my subscribers. That would be absolutely amazing. That would push me past my goal for January of 60. So I would absolutely love your guys' help. I need it. I would love you guys to share this video. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and comment below. I would absolutely love that. And I hope you guys have a fantastic new year. Maybe I'm the first to wish you that, so happy new year. I hope it's an amazing 2018 for you. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next year.